So, today we are teaching you the truth. What's the truth?
Hollow Earth.
Hollow Earth.
Hollow Earth, guys.
The Earth is hollow, and that's the truth. I'm Wendy Yoo-hoo.
And I'm Peter Yoo-hoo.
And we are firm believers in Christianity.
The belief of Hollow Earth.
Now, people might ask us, what is Hollow Earth?
Hollow Earth is the belief that there's a whole nother Earth inside the Earth.
And that the Earth we live in, is actually hollow.
Some people may say we're crazy, but we have evidence.
Yeah, and we are believers. We are truth believers.
You know, Wendy, there's so much going on beneath our feet. There's like dinosaurs, aliens, lizard people, so many things, everything.
And it's all wicked, like, preach.
It's crazy.
Seriously. And like, everything is being covered up by the government and science because they don't want us to know what's going on. You might be wondering, how do we get to Hollow Earth?
I mean, there have been some cases. If you look in the book, Hollow Earth, and if you look in the movies where they journey to the center of the earth, or where King Kong and Godzilla are from.
Exactly.
Right? There are movies, there are books that document people going there.
But specifically, let's talk about Richard Baynard's work.
Richard Baynard, he was a well-educated man.
Actually, Richard Bernard.
Richard Bernard. He was a well-educated man, academic degrees. He wrote Hollow Earth, documenting the truth that there is a hollow earth.
Some people say that the book is a fictional book, but we believe that that's preposterous.
Hollow Earth is like our Bible.
And it's only fictional to the stupid people who are believing the government and everything it's saying. Like, literally, it's people who don't believe in Hollow Earth wouldn't understand that book is basically a Bible. Today, we are going to show you how it all went down. The first person we're going to talk about is John Cleve Symes Jr. He suggested that the Earth consisted of a hollow shell about 1,300 kilometers thick, with openings about 2,300 kilometers across both poles, with 4 inner shells. Each of the shells opened at the pole. Although John was close to being right, this other dude was the one that got it right.
This next guy we're talking about, Papa Teed, formerly known as Cyrus Teed, he was an eclectic physician.
This meant that he was interested in unconventional experiments like alchemy and just very dangerous stuff.
So during one of his experiments, he passed out, and while he was passed out...
Well, he got shocked.
Yeah, while he was passed out, he was visited by a divine spirit who told him he was the Messiah.
But other people would say that he suffered from severe brain damage.
Anyways, we believe that Cyrus Teed was a legend. After all, he was the man who succeeded where Aristotle,
Eratosthenes,
Galileo, and Copernicus had all failed anyways, so...
Teed was revolted by the idea that Earth revolved around the sun. Instead, he thought up his own theory of the universe. This was known as cellular cosmogony.
This fact states that human beings live on the inside of the planet, not the outside. Also, guess what? The sun is a giant battery-operated contraption, and the stars are mere refractions of its light.
This is the core beliefs of our religion, Christianity. We call ourselves the Korishans. It preaches cellular cosmogony, alchemy, reincarnation, immortality, celibacy, communism, and a number of other awesome ideas.
Crazy.
Hey guys, welcome back.
You didn't actually think we were Korishans, right? Let us reintroduce ourselves. I'm Jasmine.
I'm Andrew.
And we're a part of your TOK class. Now, let's talk about why you're really here.
So when we're talking about the psychological, social impact on society, there is not really that much of an impact on society. The people who believe in Hollow Earth aren't really hurting anybody, right? People believe in this because of fake evidences online and such. Psychologically, believing in this conspiracy theory meant that it was a way for people to cope with their fear and uncertainty. It also helped them to feel included because they were part of a group.
In society, people were more skeptic about the scientific method, which led to more conspiracy thinking, hence conspiracy theories.
With the modern technology that we have, we can send seismic waves into the Earth and figure out that the Earth is actually solid. There's nothing hollow or mini Earth or sun in the middle of the Earth about the Earth. It's all just solid. Using the modern technology that we have, we can measure and observe the seismic waves that come off of earthquakes. That data shows us that the Earth has a solid inner core, a liquid outer core, and then a mantle, and of course the crust that we live on. This contradicts the theory of hollow Earth because it means that we have a solid Earth and not hollow.
This theory is clearly pseudoscientific. There is no science backing these claims, and it literally just sounds bogus. People back then did not have the tools or resources to fully understand how the universe like we understand it today.
How do conspiracy theories like the hollow Earth theory reflect broader societal distrust in authority?